Are you a beginner and you want to learn how to cut a straight skirt? This is for you. When I mean straight skirt, I mean skirt, a straight skirt, a tight skirt. This is for you. So we'll go ahead to place our measurement. First is your starting line. After getting your starting line, you have to get hip line and our full length. When marking your starting line, please go up by 2 inches, cause 2 inches that you're going up is for your waistband. Your waistband. We will still replace it. So when doing this, you go up by 2 inches, your hip line and your full length. So we go on to divide our waist measurement, our hip measurement. So when you get your waist measurement, you divide it by 4. By 4. If for example, if it's 30, you divide it by 4. When you place it, make sure you add 2 inches for seam allowance. 2 inches, 3 inches, 4 inches, depending on you. Because you need enough allowance in case if the person is getting bigger by the day. So make sure you use 2 to 3 inches. 2 to 3 inches is okay. Then we went ahead to mark our hip line, hip measurement. When you get your hip measurement, you divide it by 4. When dividing it by 4, you place it and make sure you add 2 inches to it. So we want to make a straight skirt. We want it to be tight. In our full length, where we want our length to stop, when we get there, we'll divide our hip measurement by 4. After dividing it by 4, we place it. Instead of adding 2 inches, I added 1 inch. You can decide to do 1.5, but for me, I made mine 1 inch. After that, I went ahead to curve. I curve with free hand. I don't use any other thing. I use free hand. So when you're done, make sure you cross check. Make sure you cross check to avoid shortage or mistake. Make sure you cross check before curving. I make sure I curved it, make sure it's okay before I went ahead to cut it out. So I told you guys that my full length is 20. When you mark your 20, make sure you add 2 inches. 2 inches is for turning, so that after turning it,